Children, let us see the accounting procedure of the dissolution of a partnership firm. First of all, the first point is assets are sold off and liabilities are paid off. For that, a realization account is prepared. The first point is all the assets except cash and bank are debited individually. Say 2 furniture, 2 stock, 2 debtors. Likewise, each and every asset account is debited. If any provision is there, the same is to be credited. And then after the external liabilities, say creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, bank loan, Mrs. Partner's loan, if any are credited. Here Mrs. Wife, the partner's loan is also treated as external liability. And if any reserve is there against any asset, say investment fluctuation reserve, the depreciation reserve, if any are credited, means that amount is being utilized for realization purpose. This is the second step and this is the third step, and then after the below the balance sheet some points are given for how much amount is realized by sale of the assets, etc. Taking that, we have to see by bank account or cash account which asset is being sold for how much. And if any unrecorded asset is there, if it is sold, then it is also written under the bank account, means bank account debit to realization account. And in the meanwhile, if any partner takes up any asset, when the assets are being sold in the market at a cheaper rate, they may take it. And that partner's capital account is debited and realization account is credited. And after realizing the amounts, by selling the assets in the market or by taking the partners, that realized amount is utilized to make the payment to the liabilities, external liabilities. So see, to bank account, realization account debit to bank account or to cash account as the case may be. See liabilities, so which liability is being paid and for how much it is being paid. If any unrecorded liability is there, the same is also being paid off. And realize for doing all this, some expenses are incurred and that is also being paid off. All these, the to bank cash account, whatever so. And in the meanwhile, if any partner takes up the responsibility of paying any liability, say Mrs. Partner's loan is there, that Mr. Partner may take the responsibility of paying that liability to her. The same is being credited to his capital account and debited to realization account. Likewise, the partner may take up the responsibility of doing this dissolution procedure for some expenses, and that expenses are borne by him and the same is being credited to account. After doing all this, if any profit or loss is there, the same is credited to partner's account, or if there is deficit, the same is debited to their capital account. This is about the realization account and this is the first step of dissolution of partnership. Now the second step is partner's loan account, if any, is to be paid off. For that, the partner's loan account is opened, by balance brought down and to cash or to bank is debited. Partner's loan account debit to bank account. This is the second step. Then after partners' capital accounts are opened, taking the balances of their capital account from balance sheet, from either side of course. The realization, if the partners taken the liability, that is to be credited, and if any partner takes up any asset, that is being debited, and in the meanwhile, if any reserves, undivided profits appeared on the liability side of the balance sheet, the same is to be shared by the partners or credited to their capital account in their profit sharing ratio. And if any loss, undivided loss appears on the asset side of the balance sheet, the same is to be debited to their capital accounts. And realization profit is credited. If there is loss, the same is being debited. And after doing all this, after debiting and crediting all these points, if the balance is there, that balance will not be carried forwarded, rather that is being withdrawn by the partners or being brought by the partner to make up his capital account. This is the Third step. In the meanwhile, so if any balance is there in the bank, that is being withdrawn and bank account is closed. Now let us see once again. After this bank account is prepared, that we will see. Realization account is prepared for sale of the assets and for the payment of the external liabilities. And if any profit or loss arises, the same is shared by the partners, are borne by the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Next step is that the partner's loan account is cleared by and the account is closed by paying off the amount. And then partners' capital accounts are prepared, and after making all the adjustments regarding the assets taken over, liabilities taken over, and undivided profits and reserves, etc., if the accounts are closed by withdrawing the excess amount or by bringing the deficiency amount. And after preparation of the partner's capital account, bank account is prepared. Now let us see how to prepare the bank account.